Hello, my name is Vero Blossoms. I'm a student of the 2024 front-end course. I'm here with week 9, showing off my card project. I've been having a real rough week, so I'll clean up a lot of this. I decided just to leave in what I had here. We have a class for a deck, built-in shuffle as its functions and its constructor up here. I had a class for a player, and I fiddled with it for forever, and I got deleted most of it, and then I ended up just going with what the video did and merging it into the game class itself, which was probably infinitely easier than whatever I had planned. But we instantiate a deck, which is empty, with 4 suits and 14 ranks. Build it. We just do 2 loops really fast, and we shuffle it. It's straight up the Geeks for Geeks, Fisher Yates. I tried a couple of my own, and they were just bad. They were just really, really awful. Um, I think this is the one the video uses. Um, I went around and Geeks for Geeks was the one that made sense to me. So big shout out to them. Uh, the constructors with names, scores, and hands. We start by instantiating a new deck. This is leftover code from when I was trying to do the player classes. We build it, we shuffle it, and then, why it's not 0, we deal out the cards. Like it says, way smarter than what we were doing. From here, we determine as long as a hand, or we do a regular for loop. I had a do while loop here for a minute. It was bad. But we see whose hand is bigger, and then we just assign a score. It was being real weird if I did a plus equal, so this is what I did for a what time, and includes the round. And then this is a cheat selection just to make sure that the test outcomes works. In a real code, I would get rid of this, and if I had more time and I wasn't in the MIDI with a lot of moving troubles, I would have used the chai latte mocha testing case, the JUnit stuff. And then from here we have the final score selection for who wins, who loses, etc., and then the initialization and the start. And we'll go ahead and feel like it shouldn't be saying that I have stuff to say, but I'm not going to think about that too hard. Open it with a live server, bring up the console, not paste anything, but thank you. As you can see, starts with the first round, tallies it for every round. Billy's and Sally play until they get to round 26, where they total up the final score, and it shows who wins over who. Yeah, Billy wins over to Sally, Sally wins over to Billy, and then occasionally you will get. Oh, as you can see it for a second, everyone loses because you tied, and that's never really a win. And that's it for the day. Thank you, and have a good one. Bye bye.